Welcome to the AI Monkey, a channel where humans and artificial intelligence come together to promote learning. Today, we will look at how to make a board game. First, come up with a concept for your game. Start by brainstorming ideas for what kind of game you want to create. This could be anything from strategy to party games or a trivia. Next, create a prototype. Once you have an idea for your game, create a rough prototype using basic materials like paper and pen. This will allow you to test out the gameplay and make any necessary changes. Once you have a basic prototype, start creating a more polished board and game pieces. This could be done using graphic design software or physical materials like cardboard or wood. Write out clear and concise instructions for how to play the game, including any necessary rules or guidelines. Once you have a complete prototype, play test the game with friends and family to get feedback and identify any areas that need improvement. Based on the feedback you receive, make any necessary changes to the gameplay or rules to ensure that the game is fun and engaging for players. Once you have a finalized version of the game, create a high-quality board and game pieces. This could be done by having the board and game pieces professionally manufactured. Before releasing the game, test it again to make sure that all of the components work together and the game is fun for players. If you want to sell your game, consider publishing it through a game publisher or crowdfunding platform. Alternatively, you could distribute it for free to friends and family. We hope this step-by-step process has been helpful to all you aspiring game creators. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful videos from the AI Monkey. Thanks for watching.